Again. Sorry guys, a text interrupted my video and shut it off. Okay, so this is Miss Madison. She lives on our block, and this is my niece, Sayla. Hi, this is my nephew, Caleb, and this is my son, David. Alrighty, so here's all of our puppies. Right here we have a little boy, black boy. And right here's a little black girl, and right over here, this one right here, little green collar black boy. So we're gonna take some pictures so that you guys get to see their faces. And the Katy's puppies, their eyes are open, and most of them are walking. Like you can see here, little red collar black puppy. She was four-wheeling over her brother there. And here's little purple collar starting to walk. Yeah. Oh. And here's there's Ellie's purple. David, move your hand, please. Yeah, the purple collar with the paw prints on it. So that's Ellie's purple collar. So,
They're all surrounding you.
no, we're not flying puppies. Here's the Ellie's yellow boy. No, that's Katy's yellow boy with the brown collar. Katy's yellow boy.
You want to get to moving?
They were just all having playtime and having a lot of movement and playing, and now they're all tuckered out. We had a good bath time last week before I went on the retreat for the weekend. And they got all clean, and the mamas took good care of them, keeping them nice and clean. Here's little white collar puppy fell asleep in Sayla's lap. Looks like I'm gonna have to make her collar a little bit smaller.
Why is this puppy so chubby?
I know, they're chubby. They're Katy and Ellie, they just do such a good job feeding their babies and keeping them fed and happy, huh?
Big tummy happy life.
Aww.
I see your beautiful face.
Oh, we got a yawn. Oh, a little yawn.
You're so cute.
So cute. Oh,
So pretty.
look at this. This is Ellie's purple collar girl.
Look, her color's matching with my shirt.
Oh, she matches you. Yes, so sweet.
You're my twin. Oh, what's going on?
Oh, look at these. The girls are snuggling.
I believe these two are boys. Are they boys or girls?
They're girls. Oh, she wants her mommy.
What happened? Do you need some attention? Are you the attention stealer?
Madison is so good at giving puppies attention. Huh, all of you guys are, aren't you?
I have two on my legs. Look at how chubby.
Where is, oh, so this is Ellie's boy. Ellie's yellow boy. He had more of a teal colored collar on, and teal didn't come in the package with the paws, so we just made it blue. But so that's him. Oh, here's one of the black boys.
You want to go see some people? People? Some doggies, actually.
They get to meet their families in a couple weeks, guys. Isn't that fun? Boy, the white-collared one, Ellie's white-collared puppy, she's just crashed out, huh?
Blue's trying as hard as possible.
She's totally comfortable, all nice and warm, snuggled with you.
She's my favorite now.
Aww.
She's your favorite now.
Here's a pretty black
Whoa, your tail is
black
tickling.
girl. Oh, you snuggling? Oh, some snuggles right here. Oh.
Timies.
All right, friends. Oh, here's blue collar black boy. Oh my goodness. He's walking the best right now. Him and the green collar black boy. The two of them, they're really walking really good. So next week, friends, they're like all going to be all over the place, walking and playing, and it's going to be, there's going to be a lot more activity and a lot more fun video for you guys to see them play. So I hope y'all have a good week, and we'll send you another video over the weekend. Bye. Say bye, guys. Bye.